Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best automotive scan tool. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT726. NT726 is newly developed diagnostic scanner with Android 9.0 operating system. It offers technicians and enthusiasts an easy and affordable solution to pinpoint troubles of engine, transmission, ABS and airbags on major American, Asian and European makes. Besides, it can support common required service functions including oil reset, EPB, TPS, SAS, TPMS, DPF, injector and ABS bleeding. This code reader fits for home mechanic, DIY car owners, advanced hobbyist, car dealer, auto repair shop, automotive engineer, diagnostic tech, automobile tech, individual. Apparently, this is the most economical scan tool for every mechanic. Foxwell NT726 in text and graph allows you to view graphs simultaneously and combine 4 of them into one graph for comparison. This NT726 OBD2 scanner performs faster and more accurate detection on all available control modules of your car instead of taking time to dealership and pay them to do the same for you. The NT726 Car Diagnostic Scanner for all cars can check all control modules and pinpoint the exact issue source from engine, ABS, SRS, 4WD, steering, transmission, suspension, headlamp, HVAC etc. You can learn more about your car through the NT726 scanner, thus saving unnecessary maintenance costs. NT726 equipped with 1080 pixels 5.5-inch LCD screen graphically to show live data, allowing you to effortlessly when this scanner observed data. At the same time, it allows you to view 2 or more parameter maps to provide a reference value for your diagnosis work. To confirm the location of the fault quickly and accurately, which saves your time and energy. One of the best things about using the Foxwell NT726 as an engine diagnostic tool is that it has a lookup library, which will define the codes for simplifying the analysis and repair process. It does give you the details of the code, so you don't have to search online to find out what's the reason for this code appearing. And also you can simply click on the error code that you selected. One click to check the real-time health of your car battery with a graph. Monitor the battery life to replace or change it timely manner to get safe driving. Number 4, brand name, Launch. Model number, CRP123i. Launch CRP123i Diagnostic Scanner is an automatic transmission service tool that supports reading or erasing codes, viewing live data and turning off the warning light in the transmission system. The Launch CRP123i OBD2 scanner provides the user a detailed view into this critical component's operation and function, allowing fast, accurate and complete diagnosis of existing or potential issues. The diagnostic tool can help detect the engine ignition, fuel injection, air and fuel ratio, and exhaust emission conditions in engine system to enhance vehicle performance, save energy and reduce exhaust emission. It makes great sense in the safe driving when your car is slipping or difficult to shift. This diagnostic scanner can figure the problems out via reading codes in the transmission system, or check the health status via live data viewing. The diagnostic tool CRP123i is available for accessing and performing diagnostics on anti-lock brake systems respectively, whether it is the brake pad deviation, the brake pad does not return to position or other reasons of failure. Launch launch CRP123I can easily locate, read the error code and turn off the car fault light after maintenance. The OBD2 scanner will automatically generate and store a basic diagnosis report on the vehicle as a reference for vehicle inspection and maintenance. The vehicle operating data provided in this report are the static data. You can share and print it for technical assistance. Number 3. Brand name, Macar. Model number, CS90. Macar CS90 is a scanner focusing on maintenance functions. It supports 28 maintenance functions for free for life, OBD2 full functions and engine system diagnosis. Macar CS90 scanner only work for engine system, performing a deep scan on full units of engine, such as intake air temperature and flow, engine coolant temperature, crankshaft and camshaft position, oil pressure, fuel rail pressure, vehicle speed. Just one click via internet for lifetime free to get the latest bug fixes, newly added functionality and new vehicle models. Macar CS90 code scanner supports 4-in-1 data display, saves, reads and prints health reports, and can use the data cable connection to send the diagnostic report to the computer for printing. Supports screen recording and screenshot function. Number 2. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT1009. The Foxwell NT1009 premier diagnostic platform supports the in-depth diagnosis of all automobile systems, provides advanced ECU coding and professional two-way control action testing, and also supports 30+ automobile reset maintenance services. The Android 9.0 operating system is configured with a 10.1-inch screen to allow you to experience a smooth diagnostic process through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi wireless connection. The latest tablet scanner NT1009 delivers faster and smarter diagnosis for workshops and technicians. Through hardware and software upgrades, technical staff can now approach problems with greater speed and accuracy and produce comprehensive, professional reports. Foxwell NT1009 also supports other special services such as Adjust-F, Windows calibration, cylinder service, transadaptation, CHG tire size, language change, odometer, headlamp calibration and so on. It adopts the latest technology for quick start and multitasking, supports all system diagnosis, and can access powertrain, chassis and body systems. Foxwell NT1009 helps you to identify the engine-related issues by reading parameters such as engine RPM, engine coolant temperature, air intake humidity, airflow, the voltage of O2 sensor, misfire data, intake manifold pressure, oil pressure etc. Number 1. Brand name, Stool. Model number, A80. Stool A80 is an advanced automotive diagnostic tool that can access all available vehicle modules to perform in-depth diagnostics that you can previously find only in dealer-only tools. Stool A80 Auto Scan Tool comes with 24 service options and dozens of resets and relearns, initializations, matchings, adaptations to meet everyday maintenance service tasks that a professional auto technician or mechanic would ever need. One-button auto scan reads codes in all modules and displays them on the screen. Quick erase feature allows all codes to be cleared with the push of a button. As an advanced professional diagnostic tool for auto technicians and mechanics, Stool A80 scanner can work on 88+ American, European and Asian vehicle brands, and covers 10,000+ vehicles worldwide, petrol or diesel. With one-click Wi-Fi updates, A80 Scan Tool may add incoming features, functionalities, newer vehicle coverage and software problems fixed.